Alright, I've got a 48-inch TORO Titan ZX4800. This has a weighted front for doing hills and stuff like that, so it doesn't be too back heavy. Those have been added on it. Foot pedal deck control, fabricated deck with reinforcement on the front and sides all the way around, 3 blades, and heavy-duty spindles with the big plate bolts. I think this is a 24 horsepower Kohler command motor. It used to have this cover. It just blew off on the highway the other day, and that is on order right now. It'll be here in a few days, but I think on top of that cover is where it said what the horsepower is, so sorry about that, guys. Or maybe it says right here on the side. Let's see. I'll put it in the ad if I find it. There is a serial number and everything there to the motor. Anyways, I'll start this thing up and show you what she's got. My grass is obviously over tall right now, so we'll see how well it cuts it. Hours reading 293.4. I'm actually not positive that meter is working. I will watch and see if it's ticking. Running real smooth. Idle it back up for you. No smoke or bad vibrations that I'm seeing. Deck height controls right here. You can push it forward, release it with this, and the e-brake is here. Turn the blades on. Got a nice high blade tip speed on this mower. Got good ground speed too. Of course, if I go too fast, it's going to leave some height on the grass, but they're still cutting really well. That's just because it's so tall. Getting a little wet. But if I take it slow like that last stripe, cutting real good. Good mower here. Nice heavy duty deck. I'm going to let this run a while and I will update and let you know if the hours are working properly. Idle it back down, running nice and smooth. Like I said, I'll run this for a while and see what that says. Right now it's 290.